guys, so I'm gonna be spoiling my dog today, so we're gonna go on a bike ride. Let's go do that. What I have so far, I have this basket with his towel and then this thing to wrap around my neck so he won't fall like this. Or I mean, he won't fall like that because the bike's going like, okay, I don't know what I'm doing, but yeah. And after that, we had a soccer like freaking practice. You already know, cause like me and Brownie are like soccer players. Like, ooh. Hey guys, so today I'm at my cousin's house, and we're gonna try to land front flips and do crazy stuff like that. So yeah, that's the only do here. $6. Make sure you go follow her. Link in bio. You already know. Make her famous. Make this girl famous too. Link in bio as well. Bye. Bye. See us do front flips and eat Crap-a-Doodles. This is a child-friendly channel. Bye. So today's challenge is
landing a front flip.
Landing a front flip. Go. Oh! Two. Yeah.
Not gonna make it.
Oh my God! I did it! Did you see that? I'm not gonna make. Oh, I did make it! Wow!
Not gonna make it.
Oh, you're right. Nathan, how did you know that?
Because I have them. Wait, do it.
Do it again, okay.
Because I know. Because I'm the smartest.
Bye guys, have a great day.